Got a 2019 Acura RDX, and I'll be showing you how you can take this whole emblem off. So you can either clear it up because it's hazed up, or for you to add some vinyl to your emblem. I'll show you how to do that. What you want to do is take off this cover first, and then you'll be able to see some tabs that are behind this. So for this, you just lightly pull up. There's some clips that you have to release. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every time you take these off, you just want to make sure that these clips don't slide out, and if they do, just push them back in place. There we go. One was kind of loose. There you go. Then you can see right behind the grille or the emblem, there's these tabs right here. So these you just pull back and it'll release the locking tab from the emblem here. You want to take off the ring, and then you'll be able to use something like a prying tool to release the whole thing. The only thing you'll need really is a prying tool just to get this out. There you go. Fourth one comes out pretty easily. There you go. It's gonna be a little bit hard for me to show you, but essentially you just want to pull back on that tab. The locking tab from the emblem itself will come off, and then you could pull out, or you could also use the prying tool to stick in between and help you release it. So that's the clip that you want to release. Alright, so I have the top tab on both sides pulled up. Now I just have to do the bottom ones, which you can see are down there. 1 and 2. And now that you have it off, you're able to take this off, the whole emblem, from the shell, or this plastic piece, with some T20 Torx screws, and you could clean it up or put some wrap on it. This is a reflective red wrap, and to put it back in, it just pops in place. But yeah, pretty simple to do. And now I'm just gonna put it back in. So you just line it up to the holes. And remember that this curved part goes to the top. Line it up to the grooves. And there you go. It's held in place. Also, what I did on this, mine was hazy. I used the headlight restoration kit to clear up the haziness on the emblem. And then I put clear laminx over. And then I put the red reflective vinyl. And then with this, I have it wrapped. I have a rock chip here, but it's wrapped with glossy black vinyl. Doesn't look the best, but it looks better than chrome. And then this just lines up again. And then you put your plastic cover back on. I'm trying to do this one hand, sorry. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I know the car is dirty, but I washed it yesterday and it rained overnight. Lovely. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.